Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come on.
What up, guys? It's a new day today, and it's a snowstorm! Ah! Yeah, so this is like, I remember I did one vlog a couple weeks ago saying the first snow. Well, this is like legit a snowstorm, so it's the first snowstorm, man. Look at it. Look at my truck. Just covered in snow, guys. Mirrors done. So yeah, legit snowstorm going on right now. It's only been going on for a couple hours, so we've gotten a decent amount so far.
Yeah.
And apparently the snowstorms missed us. This isn't even the actual storm, it's down south a little. So like, like Washington, D.C. area, New Jersey, so.
No, we got like
stay tuned,
4
and
or
you
5
guys,
inches.
not yet.
Okay,
We probably only have like an inch.
Oh.
So stay tuned and you guys will see if we make it through. So I'll let you look out the front window here. This is what we're seeing. These are the driving conditions. I mean, it's pretty early in the snowstorm, so there's been zero plowing that's been done, so it's gonna be a treacherous ride. Thoughts?
Yeah, you should put your 4-wheel drive in.
Oh, good call. I almost tried to do that. A little bit of slipping and slide, but it's fun to do a little bit of drifting. Yeah, so this is actually like a pretty old truck. This truck's from 1999. She's a good girl though. She runs good. She treats me well. But look at this. Heated mirrors on it. So you can see the snow's on it. Heated up. That one's already almost melted off.
Yeah.
So yeah, how old is this truck? 17 years old, right? Heated mirrors. Luxury. Like I mentioned in a couple other vlogs, I'm surrounded by sod farms over here. So when it snows, obviously there's sod farms, so there's no trees or anything to break up the wind. So when it snows, it literally just creates blizzard conditions on the roads. Like, look guys, there's like maybe like 10-yard visibility. Look, and the roads just become completely unplowed because it just blows the snow across it. Even when there's a little bit of snow, these roads just become like impossible to drive on unless you have 4-wheel drive. Good thing I got a heavy-duty truck. So just to give you guys an idea of how bad the roads are around here, like we're like at a 4 intersection on a main highway, and look at how slow the cars are driving. And then this is the best part. This is So Rhode Island right here. If you look all the way across the intersection, you'll see a plow truck without his plow down, just driving around. Alright, so I was thinking we've got a nice little snowstorm going on out here. Maybe we can get a few shots or something. I can put some cool...
Yeah.
We can get a few shots out here. Maybe I can put some cool music behind it or something, and we can make like a little snow edit here. So here we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out the vlog this week. I know I haven't done one in a while, but I thought I would throw one up this week because we've had a few crazy little snowstorms recently, and I thought it'd be a fun little vlog to make for you guys. So if you live somewhere maybe where you don't get snow, or maybe you've never even seen snow, this video would be kind of cool. You could live vicariously through us for a little while to enjoy the snow as much as we did. So I just want to say thank you again for watching the video. If you didn't catch this past week's video, we did an awesome challenge. We did 120 nuggets. Me and my brother took it on. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it here. And we have another video coming out this Friday. So in the meantime, make someone's day, and I will see you later.